This is a Touch2Move unit. It's a sensor controlled handle. There's no forward or reverse button. It detects the pressure, and as you walk, it walks at your walking speed. If you go in the opposite direction, it comes back. If I want to turn the unit, gentle pressure towards me with my left hand and away from my right hand, and it'll turn on its own axis. Helps to work in tight spots. In this case here, these tyres are a non-marking tyre and a non-marking swivel wheel at the front. The unit is extremely manoeuvrable, very quiet and very ergonomic. These handles are sensor controlled. You have a dead man switch, key switch and a battery indicator. You also have, if you're coming through doorways, or you have a small audible buzzer or alarm to let people know you're coming. Incorporated in this trolley, the customer required telescoping drawers so as to actually be able to place product on it and retract it back into the truck. There's a mechanical lock to lock the drawers in position so that when you're transporting, the drawers can't move. In this case, we have 4 drawers. And the drawers can open out on the top or the bottom on both sides. In this case, the drawers are rated to 25 kilos each. This can be higher or lower depending on the application required. We've got a high quality paint finish and a stainless steel with plastic shelving for lifting clean products.